Hello everyone. Today we are going to make spinach and mushroom brek. We clean 300 grams of mushrooms by peeling off their outer skin. We chop the mushrooms into small pieces. We chop one large onion. Let us saute the onion and mushrooms in a small pot. Let's add the spinach on top. Once the filling is cooked, let's add salt and spices. We grease the tray where we will place our brek. We place the filling inside the yufkan, roll it into a log shape. We place them one by one into the tray. To brush over the brek, we mix 1 egg, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 2 tablespoons of yogurt in a bowl. You can sprinkle black cumin seeds on top. We bake it in a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. And our brek is ready. Enjoy your meal.